Meron po yata sasabihin si STS.
Magandang umaga po sa ating mga panelists. No? First, I would like to offer my sincere congratulations to the conveners for this forum because this has significant impact to the entire province. And paying particular attention through education because this is one of the main issues on our Sustainable Development Goals achievement, the delivery of quality of education. Now, last year, you will notice that Northern Samar has been included as among the top bottom 10 in the functional literacy in the entire country. And indeed, upon knowing and reading the roadmap of Northern Samar, I was able to surmise now that may kinalaman yung unelectrified households. Surprisingly, dito sa Katarmang pala, mayroon pang 650, with this report now, unelectrified sa Binologos and other parts of the province. So, ibig sabihin lang po niyan na talagang napakalaki, napakabigat ng implication sa distribution ng electrification na yan sa mga household natin because this number is a good number that will occupy the basic education sector. Ngayon, nakikita namin na dahil dyan sa napakarami pa palang unelectrified households to cover a number of municipalities, yung 4.75% na yan, having that electricity gap means that thousands of our households will have learners who lack adequate electricity for studying, doing adequate time for their study, reading at night, or accessing our digital learning resources. And then, the learners in the areas such as Binologos, San Vicente, where the proportional gaps are higher, will face greater educational disadvantage. In fact, during my visits, frequent I will visit schools. For example, sa Binologos, nakita ko, marami na po yung barangay doon ang walang eskwelahan. Walang eskwelahan, at wala pa akong kuryente. So this one, being unelectrified or poorly served communities may therefore have difficulty benefiting from our digital learning. Yan naman kasi na ang trend natin sa ngayon, And then blended learning and technology-enhanced instruction. Kaya makikita natin, we will no longer be surprised na ganun yung performance sa Northern Samar learners natin. And good enough, upon reading in its entirety, nakikita ko yung potential, ma-address natin yung learning gaps sa mga kabataan na yan. Kaya natutuwa po kami sa Department of Education na yung higher risk of learning poverty, absenteeism, and decline will be addressed in the long run. So that is our hope for Northern Samar learners. Thank you.
Thank you very much, STS Galancho, CNT Sugar.
Renewable energy skills. Possible training for basic solar photovoltaic installations like that, yung ating PV maintenance electrical installation, battery storage systems, energy auditing, solar water pumping, microgrid operations, and so on. Kasi hindi po pwede na iaasa natin sa mga taga-ibang lugar whenever there is an issue confronting our energy sources like this, yung palagi na lang tayong mag-i-import ng mga tao sa labas para asikasuhin yung sinasabi niyang mga repairs. So, kaya kailangan talaga magkaroon ng some sort of an academy or pipeline for this purpose. Thank you.